Okay, babe?
Yeah.
Could you paddle up here? What, up here? Paddle high five, babe.
Yeah, different vision, different pace, different lessons, different space. I'm not broken, I'm becoming. They call me different, they call me deep. The one who questions, the one who can't sleep. Rooms I love left me out. That silence showed what I'm about. I stopped waiting for their place, stopped shrinking to fit their space. Now the only home I need is my truth inside of me. I turn inward, and it clears. I turn inward, losing fears. I'm not the black sheep, I'm the blueprint. I go forward, they stay stagnant. I'm not the outcast, I'm aligned. I see things they can't find. I'm not behind, I'm ahead, rewriting what they said. I chased their love like open hands, but losing me was not the plan. So I planted different roots, build my peace, build my truth. I don't beg to be seen if they stay in old routines. My heart's open, but I choose me. Some stay close, some must leave. I turn inward to repair. I turn inward, nowhere. I'm not the black sheep, I'm the first light. I rise higher while they hold tight. I'm not a misfit, I'm the ship, turning pain into gifts. I'm not less, I'm more. Choosing me opens doors. Finds more me, let the distance set me free. If losing them finds more me, let the distance set me free. Yeah, yeah. When I grow within, the outside comes undone.
What'd you think, baby? Not bad.
Straight line, guys, straight line.
Alright, babe, what we're going to do is we're going to eddy out right up here. So, it's going to feel like you're sliding your bicycle in. It's going to spin us around. Just lean right. There you go. So you see the rock right there? See it? Oh, sorry, man. All right, look up.
Oh, yeah.
All right, yeah. Arlene's gonna go over it. Yeah, Arlene! She boofed it. Or that's what you call a boof. Chris, that's what you want to hear. You want to hear that pop. Alright, we're going to need, not right this second, but here in just a second, we're going to need to lean real hard to the left, okay? Alright, go ahead and lean left. Alright, go ahead and paddle for me, babe. Pretty, ain't it? Just a few. Alright. Nice, babe. What'd you think about that one? Huh? That's Eddie Hop. That's Eddie Hop. Eddie Hop. Yeah. You like that? It's alright. Alright, paddle for me. Alright, good job, baby. There's your splash. What'd you think? Fine. It wasn't as big. Sometimes it gets a little different, but it wasn't that big today. Alright, babe, is this cool? You want to try? Huh? Okay. You are officially surfing, babe. Look, I ain't even got my paddle in the water. Nah, you just surf, baby. We're about to hit the wave here. Paddle for me. All right, lead. Good job, babe. Nice. I wish the girls were down here. They could have seen. Oh.